Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a famous Filipino dessert called Buko Pandan. It's a popular dessert in Philippines, often served during celebrations. It is going to be an easy procedure. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. We need 10 grams of agar agar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 finely chopped apple, 1 finely chopped banana, half a cup of pomegranate, 150 ml of condensed milk, 75 ml of fresh cream, salt to taste. Let's see the preparation. In a hot pot, add 150 ml of water and bring it to boil. Next we will be adding our agar agar. So I have soaked this agar agar for half an hour and I cleaned it. So now I am just adding the agar agar here in the boiling water. So now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. So once the sugar and agar agar dissolved, we are going to add salt as per our taste. See, now you can see the agar agar and the salt has dissolved in the water. So now we are going to switch off the flame and we are going to pour it into a mold, or we can just use this normal plate also. I just used a glass vessel here and we are going to wait for an hour. After an hour, we are going to cut this agar agar into pieces. You can see the consistency of agar agar, how it has become. It has become like a jelly. So we are going to cut it into small cubes. Next we are going to prepare the dessert. For that, first we add the banana, the apples, next pomegranate. Mix them well. Let us add condensed milk 150 ml. And mix it. Next we are going to add the fresh cream. I've taken 75 ml of fresh cream here. Let's add the agar agar cubes into the dessert. Now you can see the consistency. The agar agar shape will not remain the same. It will just get mixed up with the salad. Now our Buko Pandan is ready to serve. Please try this wonderful dessert from Philippines at your home and let us know. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you. Happy cooking.